The following video demonstrates how to program the Laticrete Floor Warming Thermostat. The Laticrete Floor Warming Thermostat is a 7-day programmable inline thermostat designed to be used with the Laticrete floor warming mats. All electrical connections must be made by a licensed electrician. The front of the unit is the display window and the backlight button. On each side of the thermostat, the doors swing open, containing all of the buttons needed to program the thermostat. Testing the ground fault indicator. Switch the on standby button to the on position. Wait for the time and temperature to appear. Press the arrow up button until wavy lines appear on the display and you hear the thermostat click on. The GFCI test button is located on the top of the thermostat. To test the GFCI, press the button. The button will turn red and the display window will have a GFCI icon. To reset, switch the on standby button to standby, wait a few seconds, and then back to the on position. Press the up arrow button until the wavy lines appear and you hear the thermostat click on. The red light will be off and the display will appear normal. If the red light remains on, or the GFCI icon is displayed, consult your electrician or call Laticrete Technical Services Department. Begin by setting the day and time. Press the day button until the desired day is reached. Next, press the hour button until the correct hour is reached. Note that on this thermostat, when you set it to a PM hour, it says PM, but when you set it to an AM hour, it shows nothing. Next, press the minute button until the correct time is reached. Press the mode return button and the time and day have now been set. Running the thermostat in program mode. Make sure that the clock icon is visible in the display window. If not, press the mode return button until it appears. The schedule consists of 4 periods per day. The period the system is running in is represented by one of the 4 different house icons that can appear on the bottom of the display window. The numbers 1, 2, 3, or 4 will be visible inside of the house, indicating which period the system is in. When using the factory preset programs, the system will turn on each day at 6 a.m. at a temperature of 82 degrees Fahrenheit in the first period. This is the comfort temperature preset that will be represented by a sun icon in the display window. The system will turn to economy temperatures each day at 8:30 a.m. at a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit for period 2. This is the economy temperature preset and is represented by a moon icon in the display window. In period 3, the system will turn back on to the comfort temperature preset at 5 p.m. at a temperature of 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun icon will be visible. In period 4, the system will return to the economy temperature setting at 11 p.m. of a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit and will maintain this until the following day, when the system will return to period 1 and repeat the cycle. The factory programming eliminates periods 2 and 3 on Saturday and Sunday and will turn on in the morning for period 1 and will turn off in the evening at period 4. When changing the preset schedule, the clock icon should be visible and should not be flashing. Preset schedules cannot be changed with the hand icon visible. Press the program button until the clock icon is visible. Period 1 will be visible, indicated by a house icon with the number 1. Pressing the program button will change to other periods. Press the hour and minute buttons to reach the desired time. Note that on this thermostat, when you set it to a PM hour, it says PM. But when you set it to an AM hour, it shows nothing. You have now reset the time for the period on the day visible in the display window. Repeat this process for each period. Press and release the mode return button and the changes will be saved. You can set the same times for every day of the week. Press and release the program button. Hold the day button down for 5 seconds. All the days will now be visible in the display window. Continue to program the times for each period. Press and release the mode return button and the changes will be saved. You have now programmed the thermostat to work within the same times for all the days of the week. You can program the thermostat to skip the periods that do not apply to your situation. For example, you can skip periods 2 and 3 for the weekend. If you want to skip a period, press and release the program button until the desired period is displayed. Press and release the date button until the desired day is reached. Press and release the clear button. You will see a series of lines in place of the time. This period is now skipped. Repeat this for each period you desire to change. Press and release the mode return button to save the changes. Changing the program temperatures. Preset temperatures can only be changed when the clock icon is displayed. Press and release one of the sun, moon, or vacation preset buttons. Set the desired temperature of that preset button using the up or down arrows. Hold the preset button down until the corresponding sun, moon, or vacation icon appears in the display window. You have now changed the temperature for that preset button. Running the thermostat in manual mode. In order to run the thermostat in manual mode, press the mode return button until you see the hand icon is displayed. You are now in manual mode and can adjust the temperature to your preference using the up or down buttons. The system will maintain this temperature until you return it to the program mode represented by the clock icon. For information on this and all other Laticrete products, please visit our website at www.laticrete.com.